Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you the free Facebook ads audit checklist, 56 checkpoints to optimize and audit your Facebook ads campaign. Here's a checklist with 56 checkpoints to optimize and audit your Facebook ads campaign for free. First is campaign objectives. Are your campaign objectives aligned with your overall marketing goals? Second is target audience. Is your target audience well defined and specific? Third is ad creatives. Are your ad creatives eye catching and engaging? Fourth is ad copy. Is your ad copy clear, concise, and compelling? Fourth is ad formats. Have you tested different ad formats, example, image, video, carousel, to see what works best? Sixth is ad placement. Have you tested different ad placement, example, new feed, stories, audience network to optimize performance? Seventh is ad scheduling. Have you optimized your ad schedule to reach your target audience at the most effective times? Eighth is budget and bidding. Is your budget allocated appropriately based on your campaign objectives? Ninth is ad frequency. Are your ads being shown to the same audience too frequently? And have you optimized your frequency to avoid ad fatigue? The 10th is ad performance. Are you regularly monitoring the performance of your ads? Have you identified underperforming ads and made adjustments accordingly? The conversion tracking. Have you set up conversion tracking to measure the effectiveness of your ads? Are you using conversion data to optimize your campaigns for better results? The ad testing. Are you regularly testing different ad creatives, copy, and formats? Have you conducted A or B tests to compare the performance at different variations? And by using this checklist to audit and optimize your Facebook ads campaign, you can ensure that your ads are effective, efficient, and aligned with your marketing goals. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to free Facebook ads audit checklist. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.